Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
everywhere is collecting it Wotowoto. Nigeria is collecting it Wotowoto. Those who betray Mazi Nnamdi Kanu collecting it Wotowoto. Those who are against Biafra collecting it Wotowoto. And our Wotowoto have not even started. Thought they are doing what we all swear to do, which is to restore Biafra, watch each other's back. They sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya. Till today, nobody has come to say, this is what happened to him, that is what didn't happen to him, and all that.
Anybody I curse is cursed. Once I condemn you, you're finished. Ask the Sabo, those that tried to take over power when I was in prison, because I valued them, thought they were doing what we all swore to do. As soon as I went into prison, they started to connive to take over power. Where are they today? Because I cursed them, and they will never have peace. I won't touch them, I won't harm them, but they'll never have peace. Today they are worthless. Absolutely worthless. That is who we are. Do you know why? Because our hands are clean. When we say we are whiter than white and don't understand what it means. Do you know why? Because anything we touch, we have the Midas touch. Anything we touch turns into gold. Everything we touch. Today, everywhere the zoo is around the world, every major country we keep gossip.
Somebody would ever so Simon is working with Nigeria, knowing or knowing. I can't see that. Upon the mother, Corona, but they have. Can you hear me? You put nonsense in next year. Simon, very much. Now, no, see, not sit at home, or going better ever. Now, these 2 days is at home, you're spending money. Now, I am afford to pay for 3 nights. Now, Abuja. And the government in Nigeria, I really happy, man, and I love. Cotton not the current card, not the carry about. That is 1. 2, any idea before you share the organized business, the Facebook, social network. I never feel the work. In the I make a point. At the beginning, when sit at home and Azobia, I fight Yayin, I am reaching like as no. If the people on our phone, I enforce to sit at home, city, I would go church. Government in ARS, I am in the government, I can learn more about it. Who to tell me now, but I sit at home, can you know? Unukupazema no mboso opuna onye duye Jacob. Just sit at home yard. Obuze no ye Jacob, see forget ye basali sit at home. Urukwana ye Jacob to sit at home, ma na mboso one dem sit at home. Tuesday ah boy ye Jacob. Why would you go stupid you know? Una control the mess. Social media warrior honorable. Go to Mandima head, Mandama head. Go to Mandima, Mandema, all sorts against Simon. Who warrior here. All these things are at one they share forwarded. Also on a Simon, where who warrior. Or against autopilots, where who a warrior code. Unana warrior against Nigeria state. Unana warrior against what? Now the kind of colonial support of one Nigeria. They took one Nigeria, and he will die before Biafra. Why can't you warrior against the enemies of the land? Can you hear them the foolish? Means that's the question because nobody in a never bring my own worker. And who must see the broadcast now no one. In a voice, now I'm going to money the argument, your men, and now we are in a picture. Then they have million about anemia, or we had anemia and so on. All those nonsense. We have one and they get it, but someone else that we believe by another. Why can't you reason for once? I don't be I football can you stupid but no Marco to a hospital. You think that name we
did? All right. You know, I want all of you to listen very, very attentively, because we are going to listen to another audio. Very important.
I want to comment on this audio. I don't know who did this. Now, who made this audio? Whoever when they talk here, so. Make the person know, say, myself when they talk, so, I'm a member of DOS at that time. I'm a member of DOS. So make this person be careful the way in they talk, because I know how they ganged up against Simon Ekpa in DOS. I know how they fabricated this issue about, oh, he refused to sign. That's just an excuse. They ganged up against him. Chinansa Woru Ofoma, where they Australia. Chika Edosiem, Tony Zurumike. There is one other one. They know they talk about them too much. In name, not they, they show up too much, but very arrogant, very rude, very nasty. All of them ganged up against Simon Ekpa on DOS. I'm the only one who stood up, didn't support what they were doing. They didn't want Simon Ekpa to go on that to go on that radio.
After the
so they ganged up, they fabricated what they came up with impossible. That's part of the reason, because I don't agree with what they were doing. That's part of the reason why they blocked me. Even Chinansa was calling me a traitor.
Okay.
And that's when they lied on me, say me at the carry information, go give Simon Ekpa, which is, I have never spoken to Simon Ekpa one-on-one.
It is true.
One-on-one. Even they did not want me to go on his Simon Ekpa's program.
It shocked them.
They were saying that, oh, leader, if I go on Simon Ekpa's program, leader go they wonder why me, a member of DOS, I go Simon Ekpa program. But leader said, listen to Simon Ekpa, share his video. He's taking this movement to a new dimension.
Now, that is where the problem started.
But in DOS, it was a war. It was a war. Only God knows. It was a war. Yes.
Inside them.
A big war. So for this person to come here and say, oh, Simon Ekpa refused to sign, and the leaders, lawyers, then did it. Come on. They were trying to regulate Simon Ekpa.
Yes.
They were trying to create an impossible.
So we can join in betraying
a rule for Simon Ekpa to abide by. And I commend Simon Ekpa for taking a stand with this bunch of gangs, idiots. Idiots, I call them.
I have not seen anything
Till
yet.
today, I call this DOS, Department of Saboteurs.
Okay, and this is today's voice.
Now what for their body? When they know say I not agree with what they do, like them,
exactly.
they can't remove me from the platform and block me from their meetings.
Still, it didn't stop anything.
So I congratulate Simon Ekpa for taking a stand. And today, as I talk here, I raise my hand for Simon Ekpa. Because if it is not for him, these bastards, I call them, idiots, I call them, lunatics, I call them, they don't understand what freedom is. Even when you get for the meetings, the way then they talk, you will not say they don't know what freedom fighting is. At all, they don't. Bunch of gullible, idiotic sabo. So make this person be careful, making not they run him out, because me where they talk, so I am DOS at that time.
Yes.
And I know how they ganged up against Simon Ekpa. I know all that went down. So make the person be careful.
They don't know.
Talk.
They don't know.
A woo, like Igbo people go put down. A woo, goat. There.
So my quality people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.